This video illustrates typical steps for installing a forward-facing child restraint system in an aircraft. However, always refer to the manufacturer's instructions for your specific device. Ensure that the child restraint is approved for use on aircraft. Before installing, position the harness straps to properly fit the child. When possible, raise the armrest to allow more room to work. Place the child restraint in the center of the seat, forward-facing. Thread the seat belt through the forward-facing belt path behind the seat pad, then fasten the seat belt. The seat belt must be as tight as possible. Grasp the end of the belt with one hand while placing your knee in the seat bottom and the opposite arm across the top of the seat. Press down and back on the child restraint as you pull on the end of the seat belt to tighten it. Check your work. If you can move the child restraint more than 1 inch forward or side to side at the seat belt path, the seat belt is not tight enough and you must try again. Lower the armrest. Seat the child in the restraint. Slide each harness strap over the child's shoulders. Insert the buckle tongues into the buckle. Pull up on the harness strap to ensure the buckle tongues are engaged. Align the two sides of the chest clip and snap them together. The chest clip must be positioned at armpit level. The harness straps must be snug against the child. A snug strap should not allow any slack. Check the harness straps near the shoulders for slack and adjust as needed. Key steps in the installation process are: raise the armrest. Place the child restraint into the seat. Thread the seat belt through the belt path. Fasten the buckle. Press down and back on the child restraint as you tighten the seat belt. Check that the child restraint is secure. Lower the armrest. More information about flying with children can be found at www.faa.gov.